Welcome to the Mint Report, our wrap-up of the day's business news. Here are the top stories. Bombay High Court gives Sebi a deadline for making a decision on MCX. India and the U.S. come closer to an agreement on Social Security. And Tata Motors' quarterly numbers race past expectations. We start today with the MCX Stock Exchange, which got a breather from the Bombay High Court on Tuesday. The court gave market regulator Sebi until the 30th of September to decide on an application from MCX on starting trade in equities. But it also gave MCX 10 days to pass a board regulation, making it clear it would not hike its holdings beyond specified limits. MCX had gone to the High Court claiming Sebi was not giving it the permissions it needed, even though it had complied with regulations. At present, MCX only deals trades in currency derivatives. And in other news, India and the United States are getting closer to an agreement on Social Security payments. The two sides have held a series of meetings over the last month to pave the way for a deal. If a so-called totalization agreement comes into effect, some expat workers from both countries will get refunds and benefits for Social Security payments they make out of their income. That's going to be a boon for India's IT sector. The industry's main lobby, NASSCOM, estimates India's IT industry and professionals pay $1 billion in American Social Security contributions every year. India and the U.S. are hoping to sign the totalization agreement when President Obama visits India in November. And moving on to corporate, Tata Motors' quarterly numbers have shot past expectations. Consolidated net profits surged to nearly 2,000 crores. That's from a loss of more than 300 in last year's first quarter. Total income was at over 27,000 crores, an increase of 64%. The unexpected windfall was partly driven by subsidiary Jaguar Land Rover, which did brisk business, accounting for 2/3 of total sales. And Tata Motors CEO Carl Peter Forster said the company would have done even better if it weren't for a shortage of engines. And Tata Motors stock shot up at full speed on Tuesday. Shares of the company went up more than 4% to reach 957 rupees and 30 paise. And finally, here's how markets did on Tuesday. The Sensex shed 68 points to finish trade at 18,220, and the Nifty lost 25 to end at 5,461. And that's all we have for you today. Thanks for watching.